Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer tool to help grow your channel and get more views. So if you don't already know what TubeBuddy is, it is basically a Chrome extension and service that offers different tools you can use to help grow your YouTube channel and track all of your analytics and everything. But basically what we're going to be talking about today is just their keyword research tool, which is called Keyword Explorer. So I've been using TubeBuddy for about a year now, pretty much since I started this YouTube channel here, and it has really helped me out. So I will leave an affiliate link in the description if you do want to click that and purchase TubeBuddy yourself. You can get it for free, but to have more access to some of their tools and everything and all the features, it is a small monthly fee of a few dollars a month, maybe $10, $5 a month, depending on what discount you can get. So assuming you already clicked that affiliate link and got yourself a membership license to TubeBuddy, basically once you install the Chrome extension, you can come to your analytics page like this, and you will have this icon here on the top right, which is a TubeBuddy kind of menu. So what you want to do to find the Keyword Explorer tool is just click on this and then come down to Keyword Explorer. So you can see they have many other tools and things you can use. Personally, I haven't really got into using many of this other stuff yet, but the Keyword Explorer tool has been instrumental in the growth of my channel here on the Skridley channel. So let's go ahead and click Keyword Explorer. Now the first thing you're going to see is what's trending. I personally never look at this, but it can be a really good resource to quickly spot trending topics, which you can really take advantage of to help explode your channel. But for the sake of this video, we're not going to be using that. Now, there are probably a lot of methods and ways people do keyword research, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I do it, and it has worked very well for me. So basically, you want to just start out by coming to this screen, of course, and think of a keyword. This can be something usually from the title of a video you want to make. So let's say I want to make a video on how to bunny hop in Warzone, for instance, because that is a video that I have a couple of, and they have been ranking well. So I'm going to show you kind of the process I went through to create that video or come up with that idea and get it ranked so that they would actually start getting views. So basically, I had the idea, okay, I want to make a video on how to bunny hop in Warzone. So I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna pretty much just type that in, which is just the title of the video I wanted to make. It will also, if you notice, autofill just like the YouTube, the regular YouTube search bar, and it actually pulls the results from the YouTube search bar. So think of this field right here pretty much as a YouTube search bar. So that can also really be very useful when you're looking for ideas. So, for instance, say I'm not sure what I want to make, say how to bunny hop. Say I know I want to make a bunny hop video. Obviously, I'm not talking about BMX. The second common term here is Warzone, so that means people have been searching for that anyways because it came up. People also search how to bunny hop on other games, so this can also give you some more ideas. But for instance, I made the Warzone video, so let's go ahead and click how to bunny hop Warzone as our keyword. And once you click that or click explore, it's going to bring you up a summary, results, and some other stuff over here. But basically what you want to first look at, and what you'll probably notice first, is this score here. Now it goes from 0 to 100, with 100 being the best keyword you can use for chances of ranking, and then closer to 0 down here it says poor. It's saying basically your channel has less of a chance at ranking. Now the big difference in the score, though, you're going to want to make sure you check which one you have set here. You have your weighted and you have your unweighted score. Now your unweighted is basically just the raw score of the keyword given by TubeBuddy. They're not taking into account your channel whatsoever, or the performance or size of your channel or anything like that. Basically, weighted just kind of compares search results and other channels to your channel, and kind of gives you a better idea of if it's going to be easy to rank for or not so easy to rank for. So that's basically what the score is. Think about if it's poor like this on this left side, it's technically going to be harder to rank for in most cases. Whereas if you find one that's over here on good or excellent all the way to the right, with a high score of like 80, 90, 100, then that is probably going to be a really great keyword to target. Now here on the how to bunny hop Warzone, it's saying poor here, but like I said, I did rank for it. So just because it says poor doesn't mean you can't rank for it. But again, I do have a slightly established channel that's already been going a little bit, so that can also help in a case like that. Now say I have this one keyword, how to bunny hop Warzone, but I want to add to it, or I need some more ideas for tags to use in the video, and I just want to kind of do a little more research. Well, what I like to do is come down here to the related searches, area, and I can actually see some other related searches that are very similar. So for instance, here is how to perfect bunny hop Warzone. I don't think I even used this in my video, but let's go ahead and just see what the score on that is. So we're going to click it, automatically kind of analyze it, and as you can see, this keyword is a little bit better than the previous one. So this is a tag or title or both that I might use in my video with a little bit better chance of ranking. Basically that will just let people searching for this keyword, which is, probably several people a month or whatever, it will help them find my video. So again, unweighted is saying good, weighted is saying fair. I do sometimes look at the unweighted, but I've been leaving it unweighted, and they're both fine, but I would recommend weighted. Now to come down here to the score analysis, you can get a little bit more in-depth idea of what the score is, and why it is what it is. But I personally don't look at this a lot. I might glance over it, but really I just focus on the overall score for the most part. But you can come here and see if it's a highly searched term, what the competition is like is pretty important, then the optimization strength. So if you look up a more general term like Warzone, for instance, this is going to be a very general term, and as you can see, it's a poor score, and the search volume is excellent because obviously a lot of people are searching for Warzone. Super hot keyword, but think about how many videos are out there that have the keyword Warzone. Literally every Warzone video. So you can actually see that here as well, number of videos in search results. Now these kind of extra analysis stats will show on bigger keywords like this. Your smaller, more niche keywords won't show it, but in the case like this with Warzone, it is nice because you can see the number of videos in search results is 18 million. So that's why this is a poor keyword, because you're going to have to try to rank against 18 million videos also using Warzone as a tag, which can be done. It's not impossible, but especially if you're a new channel starting out, it's pretty much impossible. This also gives you an estimate of the number of monthly searches. So TubeBuddy is basically estimating that a little over 500,000 people, 640,000 people, are going onto YouTube and searching the keyword Warzone, which obviously is a lot. And that's why there's 18 million videos in the search results. But as you can see, the search volume's high, competition is poor, meaning there's a lot of competition, clearly by the 18 million videos. And the optimization strength is good just because Warzone is such a popular keyword that you can optimize for it, and that's kind of a reason why I got some of my Warzone videos ranked. But anyways, that's just kind of a breakdown of how to use the Keyword Explorer tool. You do have some other options over here, like they added these Google Trends charts, which are actually really useful. You can really see how keywords are trending, especially on the bigger keywords. There won't be data like this for all keywords, but there's just a lot of things you can do with this. You can always keep going through and looking for even more keywords. So say I want to look up Warzone new sniper. Let's see if that would be a good idea for a video. Nope, looks pretty poor. Again, the search volume's up, but there's just too much competition. Not good to rank for. But sometimes I like to make my titles more complex or longer in a way, and this can really help you rank your videos. It's a little trick I've kind of developed or learned, where you basically just add more keywords to your title or your keyword when you're doing your research, and it can actually really help improve your SEO. So for instance, let's just do how to bunny hop in Warzone again. Now before I did just Warzone, and I'm not actually sure if there's a difference here, but before I just did how to bunny hop Warzone, so let's go back to that. So let's say, okay, poor, doesn't look good. Let's keep doing some more research. Let's type in, just add another little word in there, see if more people are searching this. Okay, it actually does look like it's going to be a little bit better to add in my title, for instance. Could help the SEO a little bit. Again, no guarantees in this, depends on a lot of factors, but this tool will really give you obviously a lot of resources and information that you can use to really help grow your channel. And I personally really enjoy using the Keyword Explorer tool. Like I said, I will have a link in the description if you do want to check out TubeBuddy and get yourself a subscription. I think it's well worth the money. But let's go ahead and try to add on to this. So let's say how to bunny hop in Warzone. So that's better than how to bunny hop Warzone. Let's do how to bunny hop in Warzone easy, maybe, because maybe that's something people are looking up, or maybe not. But let's see if we can learn. Okay, it looks like poor, so that's not great. So let's go ahead, and I don't really have any ideas, so let's go ahead and just see the search queries. Now it looks like only 2 are coming up, so let's do how to bunny hop in Warzone PC. Maybe that's something, you know, it's a little bit different, but it's still how to bunny hop. Okay, still poor. Now you're gonna run into a lot of poors, especially when you're talking about a game as popular as Warzone. The smaller niche you have, or niche, however you want to say it, that the video or title or keyword is, usually you're going to be able to find easier to rank for keywords. Now I'm not going to give away my secret keywords here, or you know, my ideas, because I don't want to do that. But basically just come in here and just play around with it, and you'll learn it and get better at it. That's pretty much all I've done, and I actually really enjoy doing keyword research sometimes. Especially on videos that I enjoy making. Also, another thing you can do with the Keyword Explorer that I almost forgot to mention, that I started doing more recently, and I think it's really been beneficial, is you can actually come up here beside summary and click results. And then whenever you type in a keyword like how to bunny hop Warzone, you can actually find, okay, go up here to results again. It'll actually show you if there are any exact matches in top results, total search results, and then it'll also show you if you own any of these search results. And as you can see, I own 3 of 20 apparently. So as you can see, I have 2 videos ranking here. One of these bunny hop videos I made last year, more based around Modern Warfare as a whole, and then I did just remake one, a very similar video with a different thumbnail and everything. Same title, actually, I decided to use same keywords pretty much. I did optimize them a little bit more, but I just uploaded that because I realized this one's starting to pick up steam. Warzone's still really popular, so let me make another one, and I got that one ranked too, just under that one. So that's just a really nice way to you know, kind of scout your competition, see if your videos are ranking. And my favorite way to use this results page is actually to look at the thumbnails and make sure my thumbnails stand out. As you can see, I used to go with this kind of all green thumbnail, which it did stick out, but I have recently, you know, been playing around with the design of my thumbnails, and as you can see, I think this one also sticks out compared to some of these other ones. I think Apathy's thumbnails are pretty solid. Some of them I don't really like. Obviously there's Octane's video, got a lot of views, a few good ones here, but always try to make sure your thumbnail stands out, because if you're scrolling through this and your thumbnail doesn't look good and you can barely even spot it, then it's probably not a good thumbnail, and you should look into changing that. But and another quick tip, don't forget, you can also kind of just remove or add spaces in words, and it'll actually be a totally different keyword. So maybe instead of bunny space hop, you can just do bunny hop Warzone, and we'll see if that gives any different score. You know, it gives a different score, but that's just a slightly different keyword. But I want to throw that little tip in there just so you know you can do small adjustments like that, and they do make a little bit of a difference when you're doing your keyword research. So that's gonna do it for me today, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and this helped you out. Like I said, I really like TubeBuddy. I will leave a link in the description. That's an affiliate link, so it will help support the channel. And I would recommend you get your membership to this, whether you want to get the monthly, which is what I've been doing, or you just want to buy the annual membership all out. I think it's a really, really good tool, and I only use the Keyword Explorer tool, but I think it's well worth the $10 a month, or whatever it is that you have to pay. And like I said, they have a discount, I think, if you have less than 1,000 subs, and you know, some other stuff like that, and codes you can use. So I think it's a really great service. They didn't pay me to make this video or anything. I've just been using them for a year, and I think they're really great. And if you want me to make more TubeBuddy tutorials and things like this, and just talking about YouTube and how to grow on YouTube more, so leave a comment below and I can definitely do that. Also, you can leave any question down there that you might have about the Keyword Explorer tool or anything like that, and I can try to do my best to answer it. But thank you all for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. It means a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one.